So glad you could join us. I'm Phyllis Jackson.
President Trump signs a COVID relief bill impacting millions of Americans. That signature prevents a government shutdown, providing funding through the end of September of 2021. However, unemployment benefits expired. Those checks will be late, but they are retroactive. Those who meet qualifications will receive a $600 stimulus check. At issue was the president's desire to see an increase in those direct payments from $600 to $2,000. The newly signed bill also covers vaccine and hospital funding and extends the eviction moratorium through the end of January. A young girl recently shot while riding with her family near Phipps Plaza in Buckhead has died. 7-year-old Kennedy Maxey was in the car with her aunt when she was struck by a stray bullet. Crime Stoppers is offering a $15,000 reward for any information leading to an arrest. Atlanta City Council members J.P. Madzikite, Howard Shook, and Matt Westmoreland donate $125,000 to the Buckhead Security Plan, a strategic partnership established to address crime prevention efforts, recommend policies, and help with the enforcement of existing laws. In a statement, Councilmember Shook said, quote, "I applaud the many stakeholders who are pitching in to assist with our fight for the health, safety, and welfare of those who live, work, and shop or dine here. The contribution I'm able to make is on behalf of Kennedy Maxey." Governor Brian Kemp announces the next step in the vaccination rollout for the state. Speaking from Gainesville's Pruitt Health Nursing Home, the Oaks Limestone, Governor Kemp says the government's partnership with CVS and Walgreens means direct delivery of vaccines to nursing home residents and staff.
More than 95% of our facilities across the Peach State have already enrolled in this program. And we are eager to see the vaccine make its way quickly and safely to our most vulnerable and to those great Georgians who are giving them world-class care. Right here at this facility, Pruitt Health is already lining up its caregivers to receive the vaccine.
Georgia Public Health Director Dr. Kathleen Toomey says a new call center is now available to those who have questions about the COVID-19 vaccines. You can call 888-357-0169. That's 888-357-0169. Or visit the Georgia Department of Public Health's website at dph.georgia.gov. The CDC issues guidance on the vaccine for those with allergies as more reactions are being reported. 6 people have suffered from anaphylaxis after receiving the injection. Their symptoms included shortness of breath and lightheadedness, along with an elevated heart rate occurring between 10 to 30 minutes of receiving the shot. One of the ingredients, polyethylene glycol, has been linked to an anaphylactic reaction. The agency says if you're severely allergic to any of the vaccine's ingredients, you should not get it. The CDC also recommends that all be monitored for 15 minutes after getting vaccinated, 30 minutes for those with a history of any type of severe allergic reactions. For a complete list of ingredients for both the Moderna and Pfizer vaccines, you can go to fda.gov. As COVID cases continue trending in the wrong direction, the Georgia World Congress Center will reopen to handle the overflow of patients. Public health officials say the highest percentage of Georgia cases are those between the ages of 18 and 29. Early voting continues in Georgia's Senate runoff. This is just one of several polling sites. Check with your local county for voting locations and hours. As millions travel by air and car, concerns over a post-holiday COVID surge continue. Medical experts are urging all to practice social distancing and mask wearing as we head into New Year's celebrations.
Glad you could spend a little time with us. We'll see you on the next edition of Stay at Home Connect.